Good morning, everybody. It's February 13th, and here's the plan of attack on how I'm planning to trade 0 DTE SPX options and ES futures. Congratulations to all you Chiefs fans out there. If you're unaware, I'm from Lubbock, where Mahomes played for Texas Tech, and as you can imagine, I'm sure the city went nuts last night. Again, they're really hugging onto that one, but that's besides the fact. Let's talk about what we're going to do today. All right, so big picture. Um, Without getting too much in depth, big bull fall break, big. I'm anticipating a big bull flag breakout, like weekly, monthly time frame. Here is a 3-month HVA right here. Oops, and that's right here, and that's right where we're oscillating, and we pulled back. The way I'm currently looking at today, I'm actually going to go at look at going bullish. So if we look at today, this is nothing more than a clean pullback that occurred on the daily. So we oscillated, broke out, came up to what I'm going to call volume resistance, VR, if you will. TM pending. Or that may even already be a thing. I don't know. So here, pulled back to the daily 21 EMA, closed on a reversal candle, and then from a technical analysis perspective, a trigger to the upside is when you break the reversal candle's high, which is already happening right now. Well, basically, you're supposed to go by the close, but since we're day trading, we don't have that luxury, obviously. So we're above the high. So I'm looking to play this to the upside. It's a clean up here, pull back, and at least maybe come up to about 41.50 before CPI tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. We also may completely flip at the open too. But there's one other little piece that is making me lean a little bit bullish today. I won't say a little bit, but that's the way I'm looking at it. There is a 30-minute inverse head and shoulders formation that played out. Unfortunately, I did do overnight swing trade with the small account mastery people, but we ended up stopping out, and it's doing exactly as I thought it would because there was this inverted head and shoulders, which is currently breaking out, 30-minute squeeze, firing to the upside. And then we're up here at 30 ATR. Ideally, I would like a little bit of a pullback in the context of the hourly squeeze going bullish, get a little bit of a pullback, and then play it to the upside. So we have this volume point of control that we came down to, reversal candle reversal formation at that level, and it's already triggering to the upside from a 30-minute perspective, hourly perspective, and the daily based off the reversal candle that closed on Friday and the trigger today. So this is big picture, daily, hourly, 30. What am I going to do for the more micro? Like, how am I going to look at getting into position? All right, so here is the quick hits charts that I utilize for entry. So we're up here at the daily 8 M5 EMAs, right? This is kind of where I would want price to pause as I showed on the other chart. We are up at the third ATR in the 30-minute time frame. I think looking for a pullback, like right up here, right? Third ATR on the 30-minute time frame. Looking for a pullback in this area seems logical, and it's also against some moving average resistance. So I like the idea of we get a pullback, oscillates here, we get a pullback down to about 4,100, and at that time, the 30-minute 21 EMA is going to be right here. The hourly 60 EMA, the 60-minute 50 EMA is going to be right here. And ideally, VWAP probably be a little bit below it. And guess what? That is where the fire line also lines up. So if all these moving averages and VWAPs appear at that level, and this also voodoo fire line, and then we start to get, say, the high-low oscillates a little bit down towards about mid, and then we get like an arrow right here, bam, then we get some arrows right here. I think that'd be a good time to play it to the upside. Now, what about the bearish play? The bearish play is a little bit tricky, but if I wanted to play bearishly, it's going to be it's going to have to hit up here, break below all these moving averages in VWAP, and then rally up, and then I would short the rally. And the reason I'm waiting for short the rally is, for one, the short play right now is hard to do with the hourly squeeze going bullish, the 30-minute inverse head and shoulders and that squeeze going bullish, the daily formations. It just, a lot of it looks like the path of least resistance for the day is actually just higher. So just for a quick recap, what I'm looking for to happen is I would like price to start to pull back down to about 4,100, and at that time, I would like to see the 30-minute 21 EMA be right here, and then the VWAP come right here, and then maybe the high-low will come down a little bit, and then at that time, we'll also get some arrows down here, and then we'll also have some dots and arrows right here, triggering us to go back up to the upside. Probably do drama free today. It's kind of what I'm leaning. Now the bearish play is a little bit more difficult due to the inverse head and shoulders, like I said, in the squeeze and whatnot. But if we do start to fall down, stutter a little bit, break below the moving averages, we'll rally up, and then obviously with sell signals right here, and say we get down arrows like this, then I will look to go to the short side into this HVA. Could go either way. CPI is tomorrow, and so yeah, that's a quick recap. There is no economic data today, and that's what I'm looking forward to doing. Let's see, making sure, because I know I looked earlier, nothing popped up. Cool. Easy day, or I say easy day. If you honor your risk or accept your risk, it should be easy day because it's nothing more than putting odds in your favor and letting it happen over a course of, we'll say, 25 to 50 trades. But everyone have an awesome day. Hope it's a good one. Start the week strong, and I will see y'all again tomorrow. Take care.